Right, I think I am live. Let's go for, let's share this. Here is the new URL. Let's see. Yeah. I was really tempted before you mentioned like the stream crash and stuff. I was really tempted to just like comment as a joke, change this to 245. All right. Oh yeah, sorry, my bad. There we go. All right. Am I gonna get any viewers now? Current viewers 0. Live debugging. Right. What do I have so far? Oh yes, I need the reg file now. Yeah. I have at the moment, I think I have one, two, three, four. I think I only have 4 control lines for all of my ALU ops, which is nice. I think first I'm gonna worry about the reg file. 2, 3. Oh, has my Wi-Fi decided to die? Fun. Hmm. Uh, None. That's why I said how there was one flag. Yeah, I don't even think there's any weird like. I don't think there's any weird. Well, I just call it and it will carry. I guess wouldn't work. It's not necessarily carry. I don't know. Yes, but why? Ah, yes. Make a single instruction to iterate on collapse. Um, well, yes. I mean, that's like yeah, but also that's like saying having multiple successive instructions can cause you to overflow and then underflow. That's all you're saying there, really. Yes. Um, Um, right. I mean, yeah. In my system, everything is going to be context dependent, to be honest. So are you streaming with music? I am not. Right. So funny. Oh no, what does it say? No. What if part three was this stream? Yeah. An impractical practical joke. Oh, hi, Emmy. Hi, Uni. I shouldn't have to choose between. You know, you should choose me. You should obviously choose me. How is that a debate? All right. Who's in your chat then? No, I've got Uni. What do you need? Also, are we ever going to do that progress check? Are we going to do it at the 2 hour mark? Okay, well, look, if anybody wishes to join the world in 15 minutes, then they may add MRD on Essentials, and we can go from there. Hmm. No, not. We cannot hear MRD. MRD, apparently you are unhearable. Is this on? Whose stream is this on? Uh, oh no. But Discord is active. Right. Let me try fixing that real quick. Right. Can you try saying something, MRD? Oh, that's strange. You're not coming. Yeah, something like that. Okay, let's try this. Let's try something else. Try. How about that? Can people
about
hear
this?
now?
What? Who knows?
I've just streamed my system audio as well instead of directly from Discord. Still can't hear.
No, you can hear. You can hear. It's just very delayed. It's just so delayed. Oh, Capo. As for the music volume, it's very low on my system. But it's sort of it's the right nice value. Do.
I mean, what are people's thoughts on this ALU from a visual perspective?
Looks shit. Redo it. It blends in with the floor too much.
Yes.
It looks a little spaghetti, but that's just how hex wiring is.
Yes.
Best April 1st view yet. I'm glad, Capo. I'm glad. The real April Fools is that we're not actually going to apply for engineer with this. It's just the threat that we might.
No, I will.
I was joking earlier that Discourse isn't set up to handle this volume of requests for engineer applications.
What, as in two?
Two, yeah. The website's going to crash if we submit two at the same time. We've got to put at least a year in between.
Yeah.
Right, I'll submit for this one. You submit for next April Fools.
No, me first. Me.
Okay, I'm gonna need.
Wireless.
This isn't a group project. We're making individual CPUs, Capo. We're just speed running each other.
Was that by any chance a group projects are not eligible for engineer comment?
It was a Capo asking if we've checked the rules for group projects. No, yeah, these are completely separate, just next to each other.
Yes.
One
is really good.
Yeah, and the others is made of
absolutely
blue terracotta.
//that//set0.
No, you can't do this. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to add cancel carry to this just because I'm not convinced that doing an OR is going to Yeah, because that's going to unlock that, and then it's going to lock it, and it's going to be cringe. As is the way Serial is. Cancel carry, and that will only be used. That flag will only be used for or, which is annoying. It's annoying there's only one thing using this flag. Cancel carry. But you know, or isn't it's probably the most awkward of the operations to do with the ALU.
Which is ironic, all things considered.
Yeah, given that or is so free in normal logic.
Yeah, just like how free it is to get or on engineer. Right.
Or get or on engineer.
Get engineer on or there. Shut up. Right. I'm gonna go.
Right. Flood carry. And then this is.
Can't believe my stream crashed.
Flood inputs.
Very cringe.
A. B. Right. So sweet. Okay, so okay. I guess it's time to add inverters. Invert these nuts.
Very funny.
I think I'm hilarious.
Only on Tuesdays.
Only on Tuesday. Oh shit.
Date.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck, it's Wednesday. Oh no. Time to add an inverter for have to go in a work call in a few minutes. Rest in peace, Kappa. Will be missed. Not dead, just missing. We want him back. Flood carry I can have actually coming from over here. So that's saved me a little bit of space. Yes, now I can have this coming directly here. How many operations do I actually have? 6, technically. I think. Add, subtract. And yeah. Add, subtract, XOR, and or. Right shift. Add with carry. But right shift doesn't matter about flags. I can just right shift will just be a knob. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 operations. I knew this because I've got a diagram here that lists 6 operations. I don't know why I recounted them. What am I doing?
That is the question.
What's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on? Right, I'm gonna get started on a little bit of the decode. I don't care if this is particularly big. I don't want to do any sort of optimization for it. Just kidding.
Who asked that one? Was that not a question from someone?
No, that's just that unprompted statement.
Yeah.
I don't want to try and think about restructuring the things and like making them cooler. Just gonna have 6 operations decode into 6 values, or technically 7 values. I mean, I could do a little bit of optimization. I've caved. Send help. Move down. We're nearly at the 2-hour mark. 5 minutes.
Well, if anybody wants to take the opportunity to do a review, then the challenge to doing so is being able to get essentials to work, apparently. But if you can manage that one, then the floor is yours.
The world is your oyster.
Exactly.
Okay. I'm gonna try and make this a little smaller. Can I? How am I going to? So my encoder. Hero, try inviting you again. Okay. I've invited you again. Think. Did it this way?
I would like to wire that other stuff.
I need to try and remember how I did my encoding. Actually, okay, I had a genius idea. It's time to make a LUT. A static one at that. Get it? Get it? Haha. Get it? Uni gets it.
Really? Now? Really?
Lol. Fucking got him.
Fucking static lookup table.
Pranked. Right, can I get
Not even
get
particularly
hell
entertaining
SSB 1. And these here. And then this. There we go. And then this will be me decoder. And it's going to be a 3-bit. 3. 1 second thoughts. No! No!
Yeah. Time to while that is away. 25 minutes of progress.
1 second thoughts, I'm quitting this challenge. Due to complications in my CPU. It's getting complicated.
Oh, shut up.
Send help. Stack. / r stack 3. 3 forward 4. Ooh. Oh, actually, yeah, no, in that case, that's actually perfect. Yeah, the decoder school. Cool. We'll have the replace gray concrete with yellow. Actually, no, we'll replace yellow with cyan because it's sort of a flag-ish.
Oh, As Hero still trying.
Hero is apparently still trying. A tragic tale, really. Right, I've added a new summons. I think we just give up on essentials. Clearly.
Well, if they manage it, they
again.
manage it, you know?
I've tried again. Hero is persistence. I'm sure one of these days it will work.
I'm confused why it's so complicated, though.
Loki, what the frick?
How to wire? That is a question.
How do wire made? With here and the encode. Okay, I actually do need to move this one block over. Interview. My goodness. So many bots.
This is why you don't use Twitch, just saying.
I mean, you probably get bots. I mean, you get bots in the comments more than in the live chat, I think, on YouTube. Banning them doesn't bother me. If anything, it makes me happy.
I haven't got any what so far, but I'm very sad that the view rate has gone down because I had to switch streams. Very sad.
That is unfortunately how it works. It's also just a fact that if you take a break, it's quite likely people will just not come back.
Yeah, but then there's the cumulative view rate, which is the big one.
Right, today I have 0. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's only 6 operations. I literally don't need this last 4 blocks worth of lookup table. Relaunch the server?
Who's telling
Should we give it a go? Hero is.
Sure.
Save.
No, that shouldn't happen. You can just invite people. I guess we can give it a go. Here, you can watch my stream to see how I do it. You see, I press the join button. And I join. It's a very complicated procedure.
Don't have a skill issue. Pretty funny.
I'm confused. What even is going on with Hero? Is it just like...
I have no idea. Oh, he joined. There we go.
No, success. Right, stop the clock. Stop the clock! Right, shall we add Hero to the call now that he's finally managed it?
Sure.
Right.
It's his animated skin. Lightning feet.
Hello there.
Hello.
Right.
Now that you've fix this skill issue.
To be honest, that was a weird issue. To be honest, like holy shit.
Well, I mean, what was even the issue? Was it just not working? Like, bit
it,
random.
it wasn't
He was able
at,
to like leave.
it wasn't
join
working at
several
all.
times.
Anyway, right, okay. MID, do you want to start by running through what you've done so far?
Okay.
Go ahead.
There we go. I ran through it.
Okay, I will now do the same, and then Hero will decide which build is optimal.
Yours
Right.
seems significantly harder to run through.
I have
Loki.
also run through mine. Okay, so Hero, what is your verdict?
I like it, Uni. I like it. Server. I barely know her. Ho, ho, ho.
Let me see. Well, this one is in binary, which I understand more.
Yes, I
But-
win. Oh,
But there's a compactness in this one.
what?
Yes.
That's one of these is registers and one of these is the ALU.
Yeah. So this LU,
Wait,
how many ticks
hey.
is it?
Hey, I think it's like 6. Here's a single register in my architecture compared to yours at the size of a mountain.
Okay, but our ALUs are the same size.
This is true. How many operations does your ALU have? So
Enough.
far wired up. Yeah. So what actually is your list for?
What is
Yeah,
what is the speed of your LU?
2 tick,
Hammered.
but it's
Serial.
16 tick for the full serial operation.
I see that you use the flat CPU design.
Yes, yes.
And I see a command block that's disqualifies you.
Yeah.
What?
Thank you.
It's not even. It's not
Thank
even
you,
my
Hero,
buildable
for
area.
your time. This was highly appreciated. Right.
Yeah.
Murdered.
Yes. Right.
Yeah.
Is that your final verdict then?
That was a joking thing.
I'll take that as a yeah. Oh, no.
No.
Well, you know what? Yes. MRD disqualified command block user.
What the
Right.
fuck?
Right. Thank you, Hero. We'll see you later.
See
Thank
ya.
you for your contribution.
See ya.
Bye.
Alright. Now that nerd's gone, I can finally unveil my master plan.
What would that be exactly?
A register is half the bit size and twice the height.
Yeah, of course, it's half the bit size and twice the height. Everybody wants me. Right.
Because you stink.
Do I want the full 16 registers, or should I have only a few registers and then like
I mean,
stack
that's only.
or
That's only.
buffer?
I mean, that's only a nibble. So you might as well.
Yeah, but that's 16 registers, which is still a sizable amount for a CPU of this size, especially considering that this is just one core.
Yeah.
Right.
Are we doing multi-core? Oh yeah, you said you were wanting to do some sort of stuff.
Some sort of stuff, yes.
Stuff.
Right. Although I do need to get on if I actually want any of that to happen, because I am very slow.
Yeah.
I'm
so slow. Yeah, it's time to do a bunch of encoders.
just wondering if there's any way I can compact the reg file more.
Nope, there's no way. Don't try. Stop it. I need to win this somehow. How am I supposed to win if you keep trying to do it good?
Yeah, let's do that. Let's have this as the reset, and then we'll do it like that. But then readout is going to be in. How annoying is readout in this system?
Okay. Ooh. I have one. There we go. There's my
Yeah.
decoder done. Um. There. That's fine. Move 5. Right. Now that I've got a decoder, it's time to do an encoder. I'm just using a serial lookup table and then I'm just going to use it to latch control lines.
Yeah.
Much easier than building like 3-bit decoder onto 6-bit encoder.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what I'm doing. I'm just doing it in a nicer way.
I'm still remembering when you mentioned earlier today that you could use a 256-bit ROM as immediates. That's still stuck in my head.
It'd be pretty funny. Unfortunately, yes. I need to address it with the immediates.
Yes, the first 256 bits of memory is x equals x. Ah, yes, very useful.
Yup. Dolta, hello. Me and my friend Amity are doing a CPU in 1 day challenge.
Oh, is that Dota?
Dolta.
I thought maybe that was rude. But
as opposed to the game. So that's. Oh, how am I gonna? Oh, I'll think of.
Excuse you.
Think of. I'm not fucking buggered. What have I done?
What have I done?
What have I fucking done?
Right.
Okay, how am I gonna? I need to make a bed. Oh no! What have I done? I need to rethink this encoder on the other side. Oh shit. Why can't you cat jam? Is that a custom emoji? If so, I don't have any. Rest in peace. Oh, how am I gonna make this encoder encode things?
You're not.
Oh, true. Okay. I've had. Have I had?
You've had a dream.
Trying to work out if I've had an idea or not.
I think the answer will probably be no.
No. Okay. So if I can do this. I might have buggered it. I was trying to be smart.
What do you do?
I've just got to try and wire an encoder. It's too wide stackable. But I think I can do it. It's just might be a little cursed. Oh, I can definitely do that. Yeah, that's easy. I'm overthinking it. I could do. Yeah, me too. Gave up, Ethan.
What do you mean I gave up? Bruh. I'm on a different stream because the previous one crashed.
Yeah, we had some technical difficulties.
Yes, unfortunately.
Rest in piss.
Sorry, what?
Rest in peace. You heard me. Move. Just keep needing to move everything around, shuffling it all. Okay, how many bits do I need? I need 7. Okay, cool. Stack. Oh God. Move that again. Has the timer stopped? Oh, we never started it. Whoops. I was looking over, I was like, that's just taking a suspicious amount of time to start going. We'll add 5 minutes. Also, to be fair,
I can.
it's probably actually to be fair, that's no, don't worry, that's reset it. That's reset the drift that we were experiencing.
What drift?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, what drift? What is the drift?
There was drift on it.
How?
Was
Was
actually,
the
there probably
clock on?
wasn't. Maybe it was just pause. I don't know. But while it was earlier, and it got to more than like 8 minutes out of sync, and I don't know if that was for pausing or not.
It must
Do
have
you-
been pausing.
Yeah. Do you see the vision for my encoding?
Yes, I do. Do you see the vision for my registers?
Wow. Yes, I do. Is it going to be are you stacking it up 3? Or no, you're doing 60. Yeah. Are you stacking up 3?
What do you mean stacking up 3?
Because you're doing 16-bit.
I'm not doing. No. It's still.
Oh, you're just doing 16-bit word length.
Yeah. It's still 4-bit
I
operations.
see. Oh, you are making a 4-bit. I don't know. Anyway. Right. Time to color these flags.
Yeah, because there's no hex CCA in here. I mean, there's barely no. There is unsaturated edition, but there isn't like any. There's no like carry in. So. There's just there's the provisions to do proper like multi-nibble arithmetic exist, but it's not particularly well implemented.
Multi-nibble. Nom nom nom.
Nom, yes.
Okay, add. I just don't need to. I mean, by default, the ALU is just doing add. That's fine, which means I can actually completely ignore that operation. Which means I actually only need 5 bits worth of encoding. Or not 5 bits worth of encoding, 5 values worth of encoding. And I'll move this 2 blocks in. So flag out of here. How many blocks?
Yeah, that's
Right. Not enough. This is a problem. This
actually this can be dust on these ones. Can I use that to my advantage?
Okay, let's start labeling operations. So we'll have subtract, XOR. Oh, we've entered the queue. We've entered we got Valorant music. Cue some more stuff. I'm gonna get sued by John Riot.
Who's John? Right.
John Riot, CEO of Riot Games. Never heard of him?
I'm stupid.
Okay. Any more? We got a real hodgepodge of music. I'm just adding anything and everything to the queue. Okay, there we go. That's like 8 more songs worth of stuff. Subtract XOR and OR. Actually double up on the encoders. Another. It's nice. Uni is telling you to cancel comparators.
What? Cancel comparators where? What? How?
You will need to interpret the message.
You need
I'm
to
concentrating on this.
Otherwise, values busing along override cells lower than it. Well, it's 2 parallel buses. I'm confused. They're talking about the inputs. For the inputs that I haven't worked on yet. You mean these ones? These ones are being counts. Oh right, yeah, I see what you mean. Yes, I need to cancel these comparators. I am aware. I'm not sure how I'm going to wire this. I mean, this barely works. I mean, it does work, but it barely works. Well,
I saw the ammo of this.
Come see what I'm currently looking at.
Lol.
I managed to get the reset wires through. Barely.
Incredible.
Gosh. Yeah, I might go for a simpler reg file design. Again. Time to reset again. I think. I don't see how this is salvageable.
We restart. Reset the timer.
No.
I think I probably should have the. I'm going to have the previous carry flag be a separate thing that's done in like a pre-decode stage for the ALU.
Right.
Just so, because a few of them will map. Actually, what I should do. Can I do this in a slightly more sensible way?
No.
Rest in peace. Okay, yes, I can do this in a slightly more sensible way. I'm going to leave the add with carry, and I'm going to. I'm swapping the position of add with carry and right shift in the in the opcode space, so I can use the 3 bits as direct. Yeah, add does nothing. So, which ones are useful? It's this. I don't need to encode anything for that. Encode for this, encode for this, encode for this, and encode for this. So I'm only actually I'm actually only encoding for 5 operations. Yes, at least in terms of setting flags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, because I've got add immediate, but that's the exact same as add that. So what I should do? I'll get rid of this one. Subtract is
That's
1 XOR 100. 101 110, and then add with carry.
oh man.
111.
There's no nice way of wiring that.
This durable.
Yeah, these red files do be causing me grief.
Oof. Turn this mapping to subtract. RGI. X4 orange and green. I'm going to try and compress this encoder as much as I can without doing any different things logically. Lime and green. Red, orange, lime, cyan. Red, orange, lime, cyan. And then just dark blue. Yeah, because I can totally compress all of these. Get rid of anything after the last. Hello, Uni. I've got Uni sliding into my essential DMs. Ha ha ha. Okay, gets. Again, and actually this encoder can now become a flat line. It's died. Rest in peace. Anything with this? Three. There we go. Flatten this bus.
Oh my days.
And the only one that's a little bit awkward is this one, because it's got the most ones. And of course, it's the OR gate.
The limit OR gate.
In OR gate. Take a flag output here. Right, this should be my encoder done. Have the progress. It's going pretty good, Ethan. I'm currently working on the lookup table for ALU control wires. And it's only 6 flags. And I'm just encoding them in serial. I'm going to latch them, and then that'll do the stuff. And then I can start adding a clock to the ALU. Make it a clocked component. I suppose. Technically, I don't need a right back stage, at least for the accumulator. The only bit where it's going to potentially cause a problem is for memory operation. Because I'm not writing back to registers as part of the operation other than specifically for the swap instruction. So I don't have to care about the values being ready anywhere other than the accumulator. Because the accumulator is basically its own forwarder.
I mean, that is what an accumulator is. It's just an addressable forwarder, isn't it? And to do maybe okay, I'm actually just gonna, instead of right shift, I'm just gonna do
barrel shift, and it's going to shift by signed 3-bit. Yes, signed 4-bit. So it can do -8 up to 7. What I could do, because I realized that this is going to be really awkward with just swaps. I guess technically I don't need a mov instruction because I can push things onto the stack and use them to move data around. But that's pretty awful.
Yeah, it is pretty awful.
So what I'll do is I'll just do mov. And I'm going to say that register 0 is actually the accumulator.
Makes sense.
I think that does make sense. $0 equals ACK. $D equals $S. So, but for a mov instruction, that is the only time that 0 will be interpreted as the accumulator.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of a thing to remember, but it's better.
Yeah, I don't think it matters too much.
Actually. I wonder.
Oh gosh, this is a menace to wire.
How could I do this better?
You can't.
Because currently...
Am I going to unify everything? In what sense? Are you talking to me or?
God, so much thinking. That's the real problem with this. So much thinking. I don't want to be doing all that.
What are you thinking about?
What I was thinking about, yeah. Because if I... Effectively, what I want is... Okay, I have a genius idea. The mov instruction can only copy. So if it's $0 to $3, then AC equals $S. And if it's $4 to $7, $S equals AC. So, this is genius.
When I forget my own buffer to sign.
Okay, so my move instruction, if the operand is register 0 to register 3, then the accumulator will be set to the value of that register. And if the operand is register 4 to register 7, then the register will become the value of the accumulator. So if it's the first 4 registers, the register is the source, and if it's the second 4 registers, then the register is the destination. That solves my problem without being too horrendous, but it is weird.
Yes.
Because I was like, how can I add a bit to like specify which direction? I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna have it do half of the registers, and then I can use the MSB of the register index instead. Yeah, that's low-key kind of genius, but a little silly. Okay, time to actually properly encode these. Sub is 1.
Yes.
Okay, we need to 4. XOR is 4. Is 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we need 5. There we go. So that's 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, cool. Very nice. I can actually make this a little smaller. Pop this here instead. I go 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, right. Now this is pro gamer move. Does this even power it? Holy shit, it does. It actually goes the perfect length. That's quite funny. Just add. This is such a devious encoder. Can I have a look at this?
Yeah. Oh gosh.
I decode the operation, and then I have a 6-bit encoder.
Makes sense. It's only been 2.5 hours.
And it's 7.
That is surprising.
I mean, I've been streaming for 3 hours and 50 minutes. But in terms of actual working time, yeah, because we had, what, 45-minute break.
Are you sure that you've made a... Is your clock out by a tick?
I don't think so.
It'll be really funny if it is.
I'm pretty sure it
1,
isn't.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, there's
There's
10.
10. Yeah.
This is where Uni says that there's some random bullshit which actually makes this 9. And how
Whatever it is,
do you
it's
want to do?
silly. Okay, let's see. Okay, I need a 7-bit shift register. Yeah. Do 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not. 6, 7. Scott dual monitor setup. What have you done, Winnie? What have you done? Okay. Right. Got this shift register.
What am I doing? I can just.
Actually, maybe I should have it go the other way around. How's that? Actually, yeah, this might be so much better. Yeah, it's now. Yeah. The block. And again, then I can put the SR latch stuff in here. 5, 6, and 7. I'm going to color code these.
It's currently a 3x3 hole in the middle of my CPU, which is going to become like quite a big tower once I stack this thing. Anyway. Tempted to forego push and pop to save time. Let's see.
Yeah, what I shall do is this is actually technically a clock, so let's make it white. Make it so.
As an April Fool's joke, Orbit Systems renamed their Discord to Orbit AI, which I think is brilliant.
Huh.
Uh,
Right. Okay. I now need SR latch here.
oh, I just realized that I wired this completely incorrectly. I have wired.
What have you done?
I have wired it so that the half of the registers can be the A input and half can be the B input.
Huh. Mm.
And I'm not sure how to go about fixing that.
I am cooking hard. How else is this gonna work? I have to cook, otherwise I don't get engineer. I'm engineering my limit. Real question is, do I do it? I don't need to.
Oh my god, I am so dumb for that.
Huh, you're so silly.
Unless, should I just keep it like that? I might just keep it like that. Just fixing that will be a pain. Unless I go for simulated dual read. But that's just stupid given this layout.
There's no way this is enough delay. It's almost inverted. Needs to be the other way. Alright, okay. We're gonna see how this. Let's see. Wait! It's actually too much. Holy shit! I thought it wouldn't be enough. Okay, right. Genuinely cooking with an incredible passion. Oh, yeah. Let's take off this. Mods, ban this guy. Ban this guy.
Where are the mods? You are your own mods. Yeah.
No. Okay. You're getting banned. Sorry, Ethan. Okay, nah. I've actually cooked. I just need to make sure this is all synced up.
When you say you've actually cooked, does that mean you've like actually cooked something, like some dish?
It's a spaghetti. Have a look at this.
Oh no.
This SR latch that resets itself that I've fit in here somehow. Like, and it's also like the perfect length. Look at this. Bonk.
Very nice.
I'm so good at redstone. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but goddamn, I'm good. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, and it's perfectly synced. Holy shit. Actually, is it perfectly synced? We'll find out. What I should do is this. Is that correct? Holy shit, that's correct. Wait, it's perfectly synced. I actually got it right. Like, third try. Holy shit. Do not let my friend cook. Okay. Oh wait, no, you can't be you can't be saying this shit. My ego. Okay. Alright, this is very nice. Let's give that a little reset. Awesome. This is great. Ooh. I think I can actually move this. I think I can move this into here. What music are we listening to now? Okay, we're super past the queue. Let's add some more songs. And there might be some repeats. But that's fine. We're into like super alternative folk music now. Let's put some of this in. This one. Oh, this is a nice song. This one. This one. Let's put this one in as well. Okay, right. There's like 10, 11 songs in the queue now. Whoa, set own game mode creative? What is this? Cheating? You're disqualified. Okay, yes. I should be. Oh no. I should.
Hey, what is this cheating?
I'm cheating. You can't stop me. Let's move. This way. And this way. And put this here. And then just do Juan. This here. And let's go here. And then I've saved a bunch of space here, so I can pop in an extra little flag. Let's have it in yellow.
I've
And
had a really
this.
test idea.
Oh no, I believe it.
Instead of
You're good at this.
doing a pass through, which I
A pass-through?
can't fit, I can just have one bus ordered onto the other bus, and it's just that you have to order them in the right. You have to like put the one that's lesser or greater. No.
When a busing problem becomes an ordering problem. I fixed it. I have the solution. I nearly started parkouring there. I can't be having that. I must think. This. Okay, I'm very happy with this so far. This will go directly into the ALU control lines, so I need to have some logic. Clock. Wait, Amity. There's a sign here written by a chicken.
It's very random.
I know. I was writing clock and I was like, that's like clock. That's like chicken. You know, classic train of thought.
Yeah, sure, bud.
Let's have this up. No, we'll have it down. Okay. Yeah, I'm adding an extra control wire here so I can effectively stall. I can hold an operation in the shift register. Okay, it's time to rotate this. Cut, rotate, 90, nice. Okay, cool. That did in fact rotate the correct way. Now.
Oh my days! This entire design doesn't even stack. Bruh.
Oh no! this is the real problems. Right. Can I? The answer is maybe. It's so funny how the control wiring for the ALU is like twice the size of the ALU. It's not even attached. That's so funny.
Yeah.
Okay, let's mark these control wires. Do. Yeah. The invert A will go here. Want this. Yeah, it's fine. Cool, because then I can do this. Nice. There we go. And these are a little bit more compact. In fact, almost all of the control wires are on this side. So, yeah, they literally are all on this side. Problem, potentially. And that is that this the ordering of these bits might not match up with the ordering of the control wires over here, so I might have to do either some extra pass-throughs to reorder the wires, or reorder the encoder. One of these will take considerably more time.
I assume reordering the encoder will take the longest.
Yeah. You know how it is. But it's sort of alright. Let's bring these wires nice and close. I want to 54. Okay. Now I need a flood. Okay, I'm gonna think about the data line first here, because that's what I've got to work around. Because now I want effectively the output just make a new hacksaw here. So, assuming I have invert on one of these, I also need to have the I need to have the flood input sort of in the middle. What I'll do for that, okay, I can put I have something like this. Is that? This would need to be 13 instead of 14. Actually, I kind of want 12 here instead, because then I'm not fucking with this section. And that should being the operative word, be fine. I need 12 there. What's this? This is 14, I guess 13. And I can make this. No, I can make this 13. I just need to do a slightly different XOR. And then the data line will be in here. Yeah, that's fine. And then that can be dropped directly into here. Okay. Okay, now, because what I can do is if I have this data line down here, that will be 15, 14, 15, 14, 13. This is certainly one of the wires of all time. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. There we go. We've got a little There we go. Okay, these wires are now a little closer together. This is good. This is good news. Yeah. Okay, now I've got two nice distinct data input sections. The outputs over here. Let's check what these flags are. Invert B. Oh, not B. Flood input. Not A. It's okay. It's okay. CN. Flood carry. Now, let's play a game of, is this remotely in the order that I encoded them?
Sounds like a fun game.
The answer is no.
Perhaps.
Who did this? Who encoded them like this? You're an idiot.
You.
What? Crazy. Right, yeah. It's just going to be easier to re-encode. In fact, it might save some time, which is nice. It'd be really nice if I could just like swap these. Just to... I'm going to attempt to swap some of these around. Let's see what I can do. Ultimately, I want this all the way at the end because that's one. Same with this, honestly. There are two of these flags which do nothing. So I might as well have them at the end. Even like this. Like this. Like this. Whoa. Let's see. No, I really need to just swap all of these together. That's fine. And then I want this one here as well. Then we've got this one. Yep. And we're going to go down, 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 down. How can I minimize the usage on these? Let's move 2, move 4. Move 2, move 2. Okay. what's supposed to be here? Move 1, not 2. Okay. Right. I now have effectively a little y equals minus x of bits that are on in the encoder, so
No.
I can now compact it a bit more. So this, ooh, this is not B. This is not A or cancel carry. Oh, wait, actually, I can just do not A and cancel carry in one thing because they're the only two that use that. Yeah, I can merge them. That's nice.
Is the clock drifting?
Oh, it definitely is.
But why?
Don't know.
Like,
Are any of
how?
are any of the thresholds not set up properly?
I think we would have noticed if we would have seen her.
Because it's close enough. It seemed fine.
That's
Yeah.
this into A.
Yeah, it's just 6A, 6A, and then AA.
Yeah, that's correct.
Weird. Oh well, don't have the energy. We spent a couple hours making and fixing this already.
Who's watching the stream at the moment? Oh, hello. Hi, Ethan. Hi, Ethans.
Ugh.
Sorry that I have not read the stream. I only have one screen, but hello, or the chat. But I'm here, yes.
Okay, these are the same control wire. That is a very nice revelation. So let's see in. Forward carry, I'll call it. And this will be blood inputs. And this one will be blood carry. Okay, so I've knocked that down to 6 flags from 7. Or 6 control lines from 7. One of them is combined now.
Nice.
And I've got these in sort of an order which I can use to hopefully optimize the footprint of the
Yeah.
encoder.
Right. Okay. Where am I at?
And the good thing about this is it uses the exact same sub XOR and or as with carry. Okay, so I don't need to change the decoder. I need to change the encoder. Now, can I? Forward carry is not really a control line on the actual thing. You've got a Cancelary. Cancel carry. Not in. What order are they in? B. Not B. Not B. Flood input.
Oh my god, how am I that stupid?
I don't know. It's a mystery.
Was there
Not
order
A.
or
Flash. Yes. Oh, is that even synced? 1. 2. That's more than synced. 1, 2.
We're,
1, 2, 3. 1,
we're
2, 3.
taking a
Cool.
flight.
That is.
Flight has been taken.
No. Not B. Flood input. Cancel. Cool. CN and the flood carry. CN. Flood carry. What ordering do these need to be? Yeah. Guess that's. Yeah, that's a slightly less optimal. I only need to swap 2 around there. That's fine.
Oh wait, that's not gonna repeat.
Oh no, it took me signs. Fuck. Not B. Flood input.
Yeah, something's weird
Flood.
about the world edit here. Whenever you right click on signs, it deletes the text.
Yeah,
Like with
I'm sure it's fine.
Mhm.
CN. Not A. Cancel carry. Forward carry. As opposed to Jim carry. Time to make an encoder for this. 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 4.
How many views does your stream have at the moment?
Currently 2.
I have
But
2
that
as
doesn't
well.
count. But it doesn't. Twitch doesn't count like people who are sort of just AFK listening in the background.
Ah. Does YouTube? I assume not.
I don't know. Well, one of your viewers is me. One of them is Uni. I know this much.
Well, I think you've got everyone then.
Inflating the numbers. 2, 3. Okay, that's going to be this one. 1, 2. 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. fourth. Then it's oh one. Oh. 1. Oh, 1. Oh, 1. And then it's 1, 1, 1. And then it's oh. Oh. 9. 1 more. I mean, this is definitely. I think this has definitely made it smaller. What's the footprint of just the decoding part? 126 versus technically it's 144. This is I guess technically it's about the same size, like the bus included, but technically don't need to include the bus. As long as that's fine. One, two. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Right. Encoder redone with a more optimal ordering of bits, and also one that actually matches matches the stuff. Time to plug and play. There's also a block thinner, which is nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. Yes.
Very nice. Unfortunately, I can't actually save a block.
How tragic.
Yes. Very tragic. That's fine. Doesn't matter. Minor detail. Okay, the first bit on the encoder is not B. Then, yeah, word input. Yeah, only 5 meaningful ones currently. Just move these colors, and then I can get rid of one of these ticks. Nice. Good, quick check. Oh, 001001001. Yeah, cool. And then just to test the last one. We should get all the zeros except for the final one. Nice. Yep, cool. That works. Very awesome. Yeah, I'd love to save a block of space here, but big but.
But that would require effort.
Exactly. You've hit the nail on the head. Actually, would it? I don't think it would. Yeah, I can save this pretty easily, actually. And this enable line actually come along here. And then I go along here, and I go down a block. Save another block. There we go. Okay, this works. Gasp. I didn't know work. I didn't know work. I didn't change anything. What the hell?
Sounds like you're having an issue of the skill.
No!
Yes.
You can't be serious. Oh. Okay, I figured it out.
Burnout clock. Yes, burnout
No.
clock.
What?
I had a burnout clock when I was.
Oh, I see. I realized that my thing was powering a repeater when it should be. There should be signal strength 1 going through here. Eight. This should be like this. There we go. Yeah, because then that'll. There we go. Yeah, perfect. If I could get rid of one extra bit, then I could save up 2 repeaters. Doesn't matter too much. Relatively inconsequential. Though I do now need to flip my ALU. I've got my flags in the opposite direction on my control-wise in the opposite direction. Cut. Rotate 90. Flip. Nice. Undo. 180. There we go. Down, move down. In. In. Oh, hello, Doctor. It's looking pretty good. Yeah. I don't put not the. Okay, there we go. Let's take this, move it into position. Fanatic getting burned by a town of fire. Rip. Now. I've got to do a little bit more.
What a bit more.
I've got to move this, but I also have to do it so that the flags do a thing when on the clock edge. For example, the carrier needs to just be a 2-tick pulse. The cancel carry needs to be held before the other flags the other control bits happen. This clock definitely has some kind of drift.
Yeah, it's really bugging me. But it looks normal.
Oh, the 8 to 9 seemed longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Oh, I know what it is. It's because each of them it's because each of the digits takes 1 tick to reset back to 0.
They take 1 cycle. Ah, that means that you're giving it too short of a pulse. And I doubt it would be every digit. I reckon it will only be the second one. And it needs like some amount of time to reset.
Yeah.
Well, look.
It's fine. We could just work out how many times it resets, give it at the end, and then we add it on.
Or we can just edit it in post.
Right. Do. Yes, I need to do some flags. No, I need to do a little bit more control circuitry. Where is this bit gonna go? That's the real question. Still in the queue? No. Okay, we're gonna start going straight into my liked songs. We're gonna get a whole mix of stuff. Thinking.
What are you? Okay, I'll stop.
What are you thinking about?
It's so good.
It's a very funny joke. Okay, good. Based. I need some sort of bridging logic in here. What I could probably do is the clock is going to be here. Do this, and then I'll do subtract mode. And then okay, this is certainly one way to sync these up. You've connected yours up now.
Hmm?
Connected your ALU and registers now.
Yeah, they've been connected for a while.
Oh, wasn't looking.
They are connected. There's only 4 control wires on coming out the ALU, so it's not that bad.
Yeah.
Just gotta wire up everything else.
3-A. Okay. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Nice. And set plus. Okay, this is looking nice. This is looking all right. The clock speed on this is going to be so slow.
Oh god, I think I might
But
be
that's
able to get.
That's fine.
I think I might be able to get 1 hertz. Might.
Sure. It might. It might be possible.
Well, actually, no, because I'll be able to get 1 hertz if I build a forwarder.
Hmm.
But can I debug? That is the question. Because currently
Can
the
I
reg.
be fucked?
Well, the reg file is obviously really slow because hex busing, especially for like the end ones.
Yours is slow as hex busing, mine is slow as serial.
Yeah, but serial is just latency, but your throughput is high. But like, I actually have, like, yeah, the turnaround time. Yeah, I guess it's the same problem.
It's the same problem, different form.
Should I have a forwarder?
Okay, right.
Yeah, I might add that in a bit.
Yeah. Can I? really want to have a better better way to address this, because if I do it this way, I'm stuck with data going in and into and out of the registers in the same way. But it'd be really nice if I could have data come out one way and data go in the other way.
Mhm.
It'd be nice. Right. Need to. What? Oh. Oh, that's fine. Oh, this actually is all right. I was worried for a second about how I would route the carry back in, but actually it's like really nicely lined up with my bus. Yeah, there we go. Because now I can lock the carry out regardless of what happens. One of the Uni Society's Discord servers has been renamed to James. And
Any particular reason, or do they just really like James?
Well, it's I would hesitate not to look at the calendar, you know.
Ah,
Exactly.
I see.
Yes. What? April Fools? In April?
Yes, I like how the stream is just a constant April Fool's meme.
Yes. Container. This will be that. So I want a signal strength of 10 into here. See possible.
But the way that this is wired is interesting.
This is a lot of just staring at this and thinking about how I can wire certain things.
Yep.
Right, because the carry is going to go here. Let's do this in cyan. So carry out will be here. 10. 11 and 10. And you need one more of these. So this will be some of these are going to be pulsed components. Am I going to be able to pulse this? Hum, 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 hum.
Oh,
Well,
do you want to
yes.
see? Do you want to see my forwarding line? It's rather entertaining.
Entertaining forwarding.
It is.
Let's have a look.
So, you see this line here?
All right.
This here is this here is just for it to be stackable. So if you look underneath, you can see that line.
Lord. Crazy. We're doing two very similar but different paradigms. It's funny.
Yes, we're both flattening, but you're flattening a
Yeah.
little bit more aggressively.
Yeah. You've got like a waffle. I've got like a pancake. You know. Not to steal Waffle's MO.
Or your other build.
Or my other build, yeah. Is this viable? Yeah. If this works, this is the most disgusting wiring I think I will possibly ever have seen.
I think I've already done the most disgusting wiring I have ever seen today.
I've seen some pretty bad things today. Okay. Yeah, I need a clock line in here. So that's going to be in white. This is pretty terrible. This might take the cake. Okay, and then what? This needs to be 2, so I can signal strength of 10 to this barrel instead. Nice. 12. Wow. Yeah. And I do kind of. This is fine. Oh wait, no. This is entirely for this.
The
Yeah.
clock isn't drifting. I looked, every number had the unique amount of time. It didn't like stall on 0.
Well, I'm at 4 hours and 53. We've had about 50 minutes of break, so I think it's about 10 minutes out.
Yeah.
Ish. Oh, we also had a period where it was down for a little while. Actually, it's probably pretty accurate, to be fair.
It's either pretty accurate or approaching 10% off.
Yeah.
One of the two.
One of the two. Yeah, have a look at this. Look at this clock line.
Oh no.
That's the only way I could possibly get this to cancel based on because this is the carry
Oh
in.
my
So I
God.
need it is right in the middle of all of the flags. This was a terrible idea.
Yeah. I really hope that all of the cursed wiring in this alien has not led to anything that is broken. Because if it has, I am not fixing it. Because
If it is, we give up.
yeah. If
We
there's
come back next April Fools.
if there's a single mistake in this alien, then this is done.
You know what's funny?
Oh.
This is the most complete ALU I've made. Actually, no, that's a lie. My trial build was more about as complete as this.
Yeah, sounds about right.
I've been locked in on caches. Right, this is... Yep, that's fine.
Oh fuck! I need to fit one more
need
decoder. I need to fit one more decoder and wire up the control lines, and then this is done. But I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna fit the extra decoder in.
How has this happened? I need... There we go. That's on a clock as well. Wait, that's not even the... Oh, that is the carry-in flag. I was like, what? That's not the carry-in! But it is. And that's the funny thing.
Okay, so this here, I should label things. So this is the clock. Then this here is not.
Actually, Loki kind of left exactly the amount of space I needed. And I do this the other way around. Because reading, if I'm going in that direction, then reading, I need to do it in that direction, really. I sort of just need to do... I just need it in that direction. Oh, I mean, that was going to be a stupid idea anyway, because my registers have one bus. Like, it's... Sorry. I'm like fretting over, oh, but I can't read out in that way, but it's like, that's literally the clock line. What am I doing? It's not a data bus. I need to color my data bus green, otherwise I'll forget it's a data bus. Please. Grid on grid with a line. There we go. Now, I could possibly remember. This ALU, I feel like looks just about as messy as yours does, but yours is like, okay, I'm doing it.
No, bugger off! Hey!
Okay. Hot string.
You can't even walk through as a player.
True, yeah. What is this song that I'm listening to? Oh, it's.
We're approaching the 4-hour mark.
Oh, yeah, we are. I mean, I'm approaching the 5-hour mark on my stream. I'm doing this for a little while. Now, how? What have I got to do now? That stuff. Okay, right. This is going to dictate my clock speed. That's fine. Let's add.
Don't we just love it when you lose a control line?
Where? This is why we build in different colors for different sections and wires.
Where's it gone? I can't find it.
I can't find me fucking control wire. Would I like to play Valorant? I'm not going to play Valorant. This is a whole day thing.
Who's asking? Your friend.
My friend Zolta, yes. Unfortunately, this is an April Fool's whole day event. Right. Yes.
I feel like we're fooling ourselves more than anyone else.
We're fooling ourselves.
I think we might have misunderstood the concept of April Fools.
We fooled ourselves. Right. What on earth am I doing?
On the upside, I found my control wire. On the downside, I have absolutely no idea how the fuck I'm supposed to wire it out of it.
On the downside, what the fuck is going on?
Yeah.
Where is my output?
So I'm not the only one.
Where's my input? It's because I rotated and flipped this. I've forgotten where everything is. Okay, this is. I'm going to mark them. Technically, it's very easy to find. Oh no. Okay. What are you doing? That is the output, right? Yeah, that's okay. Right, that's the output. This is the input. Aha, there we go. Those are the inputs. I'm just losing the plot. I'm looking at this. I'm like, okay, but I'm accidentally latching an input instead of latching the carry out. Turns out, no, I am in fact latching the carry out. I'm not used to seeing the ALU flipped horizontally like this. Right. To be fair, if I've got an accumulator and I have if I do a swap and then the next instruction is doing something, I just use the accumulator. It's great because the value is never. If I do a mob instruction and that writes to a register and I use that register again, well, I know what it is. It's the accumulator.
Yep.
Oh, that's so nice. I love accumulators. It's like, holy shit, forwarding, what's that? And where will I put my accumulator? Yeah. Do I do cash with this?
Fuck do I know?
I don't know. Like, I feel like this on its own, without caching, would be sort of engineer level, right?
It depends if you want to go that extra mile.
Yeah, I could do. I mean, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and fit the core itself in this like 100 by 100, but then I'm going to have external ports for instruction and data like input. So I will build cache there.
Yeah, I think once I sort out, I mean, the way that because this will be multi-core, the way that the architecture works is going to be a bit weird, so coherency is going to be a bit weird, but I think I might just have a unified cache.
Yeah, that makes sense. It means you don't have to keep track of two separate things.
Coherency.
Communicate between.
Yeah.
Well, no. If it's unified, you still have to keep track of coherency. It's only if you have. It's only if all of your cache is shared that you don't have to.
Sorry, I didn't mean unified. I meant shared.
Okay, yeah.
I meant like I might have one level of shared cache.
Yeah, one level shared cache. That's fine.
Yeah, I think I might do that. I have no idea how to wire this controller.
I have no fucking clue.
Do you have a moment?
What are you doing?
So, you see this redstone dust here? It's surprisingly difficult to wire out.
Yeah, does it need to be a specific signal strength?
Yeah, 15. And it's surprisingly annoying because I wanted to torch here, but I can't really do that.
What if you torch here?
But I need to wire to it, not from it.
Oh. That was your stackability. I don't know. That's too much of a paradigm shift for my brain. That's an issue, not an issue. You know what is an issue though? Not having enough bananas. I'm gonna have another banana.
Ooh, can I fit that wire through it? No. That is where the output of the adder goes.
I nearly dropped my banana on the floor. I peeled it and then it just split in two, and I actually just like Looney Tunes like trying to like catch soap moment.
I have 0 viewers right now.
I have one.
I've got one.
It's me.
Bruh.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, -1 banana. +1 potassium.
+1 potassium 40.
1 potassium. I've added 1 atom. Right. This.
Probably calculate the statistical chance that a banana has exactly 1 atom of potassium.
Probably not very likely.
I would agree. I think that's.
I would imagine.
I think that's a good enough statistic for us for now.
Yeah.
Why is that there?
Oh no, this literally needs to be the other way around. There we go. So this will depower for as long as is needed. Oh, that's not going to cut it, because that's precisely where I need to run a wire through anyway. Actually, these can both be the exact same wire. That's actually really quite useful. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. These are diabolically perfect. I just need to get a signal strength of F13 there. I just okay, that's incredibly synced. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hell yeah, that is so nice that that worked out that way. Rodin Silenkov, hello. Yeah, it's a it's a tricky one to look at, especially because I'm working in such a weird format.
What's this? We got another
That's-
viewer.
Yes. Let's... What am I going to do now? I need to work out where to place the forwarder in this. Or, well, I say forwarder, the accumulator. Both inputs are here. So if I have the accumulator here, this makes sense. This is going to be active low. But that's this is going to be attached to the clock. Okay, yeah. An output on the clock. This will need to be synced up. What are you thinking about?
Oh, please.
Lol.
I've managed to
Okay.
really badly confuse myself.
Well, you truly have April Fool's yourself.
Yeah, it's not going well. I know that.
This is going terribly.
Like, why, in what scenario would I ever need that control light to be on, is the question I'm currently asking myself. And I know that there is a scenario where I need it on, I just can't figure out which one.
I simply cannot remember what I said 10 seconds ago. You know, one of those.
Yes.
You lose your train of thought, and it's all downhill from there. let's move this through here. How wide is this? Wide? That's just not the correct adjective.
I feel like we're both slowly going insane over this.
Nah. There's
It's just you.
I was playing Factorio. This was ages ago, and
Mhm.
I think we were playing Space Age, so we're going to a planet or something. And I said, we're moving at a slower temperature. And that's when I was like, hang on a sec, I might be tired. I might have lost the plot.
We're moving at a slower temperature. I love it.
Guys, we're moving at a slower temperature.
I fucking love it. It's brilliant.
Like, technically, you could argue that temperature is in fact speed. But
Well, there's
it's pretty funny.
It's what's the equation?
I have no clue.
I have it somewhere. I actually bet I have this written down
Nerd.
within my brain.
Right.
It's a Boltzmann thing, isn't it?
It's a what? Did you say?
I said Boltzmann. Oh yeah, it's not Boltzmann. It's the Wien constant. So it is. Oh wait, no.
It's a pain in my ass, is what it is.
That's radiate. That's temperature to frequency. What's temperature to kinetic energy?
8.
Oh yeah, it's the energy is equal to 3/2 times by the number of particles times by the Boltzmann constant times by the temperature for monatomic particles, and it's 5/2 for diatomic particles because you've got extra axis of rotation. I think.
Let's control wire up here. Now this will be wired.
Alright.
It's like this. There we go.
I am gonna head out for an hour.
You're gonna dip? Or is
Yeah.
you getting some dinner?
No, I'm not getting dinner. I just got to do something.
Fair enough.
Will we resume? Are you going to continue, or how do you, do you want to take a break as well?
I'm gonna probably continue. I'll probably have dinner relatively late. So,
what are we gonna do with the clocks? Right, should we create 2 clocks?
You can just make a note of the time when you leave.
Yes, that is a good way of doing it. It's
genius.
4 and 8, 4 and
4:09. Right.
I will also stop the stream for now, I think.